Today we will learn about how to show your current position in Google Earth Engine. The function we will use for this is get current position. First open your Earth Engine code editor, then go to Docs and type get current position in the search box. Double click on this function to show its description. It gets current position from the browser's geolocation service. It will take two arguments, one is success and another is error. This one is mandatory and this one is optional. Just copy this and paste in code editor. We will rename the callback function name. First one is current position. And another one is error. Since this is optional, we can remove this for the time being. Now we have to define the current position callback function. This function takes a point geometry. First, we will add this point to our map. For this purpose, we will use add layer function. Now we have to center the point to the map. For this, we will use center object function. Now if we run this code, our location will be shown in the map. This is our location in the map. Can view it in satellite mode. Since the color is black, we can view it clearly in the map. So we want to make it red color. For this purpose, we have to add a style here. We will also add the layer name here. Now click on Run button. Now our position is shown in the map in nice red color. If we want to know the coordinate of this point, we have to print the point. So just print point and click on the Run button again. Now the coordinate of the point is printed here. We can also add an error function here. Then define the callback error function. Which receives an error message. Just print the error message. If there is any error, this will print the error message in the console. If you use a device with a GPS connection like smartphone or tab, the location will be more precise. Finally, our code is ready. The code will be shared in the description box so that you can easily copy and paste to use this.